Look, we're doing a deal of the day today. Today's deal is for, well, some people call these rubies and some people will call them pink sapphires. I think I'm going to call them pink sapphires. The 6mm faceted. They're already made up into a necklace, which you can take apart and use them, or just wear it the way it is. They're about 17 inches. They were $250 a strand. You can see I took off the ruby tag because I really think that they're pink sapphires. So they're $250. We're going to go $99 a strand. Like I said, they're 6mm. They're sparkly, they're pretty, they're ready to wear, or you can cut them apart. They're, well, they are not, are they knotted? I can't see. Nope, not knotted. But that's okay. Very pretty. Very pretty. That's about the color right there. I think that's perfect for showing the color. Right there, 99 bucks a strand. I have 2 strands.